Good morning, Westwood Elementary. This is Mr. Hart, and we'll start off with our Pledge of Allegiance and then the Westwood Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our Westwood Pledge, and bear with me, I'll go a little bit slower today. Our first graders, they're still learning it from the very beginning, so as Wildcats, we will be positive, respectful, and responsible. We are Westwood. Como gatos salvajes vamos a ser positivos, respetuosos y responsables. Nosotros somos Westwood. Now for our birthdays, again, I'm getting caught up on July birthdays, so bear with me while I read off a handful of July birthdays. So, happy birthday this past summer in July to Lucero Flores Ortiz, Jalianis Guzman Rosado, Emily Cruz Arellano, David Ackerman, Amara Williams, Tristan Castillo, Joaquin Majewski, Aurelia Savitz and Eugenia Savitz, Kylie Simo, and Alfredo Solano. And we have a lot more July birthdays, and we'll get through them slowly over time. But today we do have 3 birthdays. So happy birthday today to Kensington Bull, Jace Hanlon, and Riley Warnock. Hope you have a great birthday today, Kensington, Jace, and Riley. And now for a few quick words of wisdom. So one of the things I want to talk to you about is just our theme, and I'll talk to you about this throughout the year during the morning announcements, and your teachers will be talking to you about it throughout the year as well. But our theme this year is Westwood learners are part of the solution. So think about what that means. We're in such a unique time that when we think about solutions, we're positively focused on the future, and and we focus then naturally on things that we can control. Because there's a lot of things right now that we cannot control, and we're not alone in that. There's a lot of things right now that your teachers can't control, your parents can't control, and just people in general that you see out and about, your family cannot control. So there's a lot of stuff right now that if we can positively focus on being part of the solution and not part of the problem, that's really the whole point of this theme that we have this year, is focusing on things that we can control. So the first days of school to that end, the first days of school can be both exciting and they can be scary and nerve-wracking. You probably woke up yesterday wondering, will my teachers be nice? Or who else is going to be in my class, even though we're virtual? And feeling nervous is very normal. The other students in your class probably had the same feelings. So maybe even your teacher. You could maybe ask them about that. But I'm sure your teachers had this is the first time many of your teachers have started a year completely virtual as well. So, and myself, this is the first time I've been a principal for a school that has started the year off virtually. And so I was nervous as well. So keep in mind that one way to ease your fears is to recognize how you're feeling and try and recognize that, and that you're not alone. So once you recognize your own feelings, remember that you're not alone. Remember, it's the first days of school for everyone, including your teachers and your principal and your parents and you, most importantly. You can also make yourself feel better by getting to know some of your classmates if you can. Ask the teacher what ways you can get to know your classmates these first few days of school. Sometimes the best way to make yourself feel better is just to get to know the people around you and let them get to know you as well. Put yourself out there and ask them questions, but also tell them a little bit about yourself. So with something to think about, this is Mr. Hart. Have a great day, Westwood.